2002 Corona satellite zoomed down to possibly Noah's Ark by Ronald Stewart, copyright 2003 to 2017, all rights reserved. Here we see in the upper right top corner Greater Mount Ararat. In the left bottom corner we see smaller Mount Ararat. We're going to zoom down right there where the arrow's going round and round to that area, and right there is possibly on the northeast side of Mount Ararat the possible remains of Noah's Ark today. Here we start off looking at Greater Mount Ararat. We'll be zooming down to here as we turn it to clockwise to the specific area in question that is also known as the Ark-Quest site, which in 2003, 2014, and 2015 was visited, possibly to and inside the remains of Noah's Ark today. This zoom down is to give archaeological context to possibly where it is located and about the size. As we straighten this out and look at it from different angled perspectives, what we're going to take a look at is approximately where the remains of the possible ark may be located. Right there within the red oval outline. Right there where the arrow is pointing, in that area right there, and right there in between those two areas is approximately about 600 to 625 feet in length. And the possible ark length, according to 300 cubics, and the Royal Egyptian cubic is possibly about 515 to 525 feet long. As we zoom into this area, then what we will show next is a projected area of the possible alleged remains of Noah's Ark. Next, we see here, right there, is the area where the possible remains or the Ark-Quest site is located today. The projection is the possible ark, seen at this angle. The inside measurements of the area is approximately between 600 and 625 feet in length. The measurement of the possible ark from end to end is about 515 to 525 feet in length. However, in the projection in the square, it looks shorter like this because it's seen from above at this angle as far as the length is concerned. However, we're going to take a look at this in even a larger aspect now as follows. Here is a larger view, but here's the left end where the yellow arrow points to right now. We're just going back and forth, back and forth. That's the left end. The right end is the opposite end, as we see the annotated text there and the arrow that will point to the other end right now. Right there. Next, we're going to take a look at the approximate length in feet. About 515 to 525 feet long, according to the Royal Egyptian cubic, which is about 21.50 to 22 inches in length. So that would be the length, according to the 300 cubics is required or stipulated in Scripture in Genesis for the measurement of the ark. Next, we're going to take a look at another aspect. Now, where the yellow line is, that's the inside open area right now that is seen between the left end and the right end. And The corner on the left end, is we're going to see that in just a moment, is right there. And the end in the right, the corner on the right end is approximately right there, where we see the corners on the left end and the right end extend right there. Now the red line is going to indicate what's left of the back wall, which is pretty tore up and jagged. It has no roof anymore except barely on the ends, maybe about 20-30 feet long. That's all. Right there, the red line indicates the back wall, or what's left of it. And the square area on the bottom is the open area